Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by Mayo.
Sibo.
Yeah.
Okrenda uthiyami.
I'm ne.
Ngithi nje shit to kill. Uthiyami ngicela ukutshela something uthiyami. Orlando Pirates is like a new pandemic. A new pandemic. Esifikile isifo.
Yeah.
Yeah, isifo esifikile manje bathi sinenyongo. Yeah, isifo. Sithi sinenyongo siyabulala.
Pandemic.
Siyabulala. Orlando Pirates isifo esifikile bathi sinenyongo siyabulala.
Wow.
Awuthami la Orlando. Yeah, la esikhamabiza lesigodi awuthami and we shoot to kill awuthami. Yeah, Sithibo ngicela ukutshela into ewano la Orlando Pirates awuthami. Sifikela namhlanje benginethemba vele lokuthi le game asizolwina and I did know ukuthi it was not easy ukuthi solve silwine nje because of ulikhona lo siyema bekadlalela iOrlando Pirates. So wenze show ukuthi uyabheka ukuthi ikhambani nokuthi ahlanganise kanjani izinto njani. Yabona ngizokutshela something Sithibo. Pirates is going to show you people who know people.
Pirates is going to show you people who know people.
Pirates is going to show you people who know people. Yeah.
Explain.
That's Orlando Pirates.
Explain.
Ngichaza ukuthi Orlando Pirates izokuthatha from entweni yakho encane ikuthatha ikubeke somewhere. The way ngidlale ngakhona awuthami uMbokazi, what a nice goal. I love it awuthami. Yeah, uvele nje wangenzela izinto zaba simple egamini. Yeah, udlalile uMbokazi. Mara mina man of the match for today awuthami nginika Night Rider.
Bana.
Night Rider Aswin Apollos.
He's a Night Rider.
Night Rider.
Uchayiva.
Awuthami uzogibela nasebusuku. Night Rider uzogibela nasebusuku.
Uyagibela nje kuphela.
Uyagibela.
Avuthe.
Wenza izinto zenzeka uthiyami. Yeah. So ile ngathawuthembi Sipho. Awuthiyami into yazi into engijabule fanakhe ucoach wethu lo coach lo esinayo manje awuthiyami. Uyangichazela into e1 because of all the time makumele mangabe uqala isecond half ufaka ama player uya exchange uyachinja into esifunayo kubo coach la ukuthi bashintshe ama players mangabe ubona ukuthi ama player wakusebenzeli shintsha faka amanye so lo coach lo wenza the very same thing esifuna ukuthi uyawashintsha ama player nje yami adlalise wonke umuntu okhona angithi abantu bayahola angithi bayahola labantu so ngoba bonke bayahola bonke abadlali ubonke ubanika ichance so coach we Pirates awuthami ngiyamthanda for lokuthi uyabona ukuthi iBhakaniya kumele anike wonke umuntu ichance so hlala sibabulala nabona nalabo olamthuthu laba asibazi ulamthuthu awuthami abantu abadliwayo akusi Kaizer Chiefs ulamthuthu abantu abadliwayo mawudliwa nje wazi ukuthi ulamthuthu iphela lapho
yiba bayithatha
no yazi Chiefs njani iChiefs isukuzenza iOrlando Pirates and ngeke uzube iOrlando Pirates uyiKaizer Chiefs angazi noma uyangizwa anyeke uzube Orlando Pirates uyiKaizer Chiefs so olamthuthu abantu abadliwayo ngiqedile mangisho kanjani
asivale kanje
sayifana
asibonge nje yami
Bhakaniya for life shop ethu sinya mfana ke futhi ayithatha ibhiza semali mfana kamshop ethu sibuni ke my nice thank you bafethu
mshop ethu sibuni